Today is June the 19th. June the 19th. So June the 19th had became a federal holiday in 2021, and then it became a federal holiday, and it's just a recognition of encouragement of communication, education, of history, reflect Black experience and stuff like that. It reflects the Black experience on our struggles of racism and equity. So, so as we celebrate June 19th, let's commit to understand and promote unity, understanding, respect among all people. Let us use this day as an opportunity to educate ourselves about the history and experience of African Americans, and to stand against racism, and to be active, work towards more justice, and for society. So with that being said, I hope everybody having a joyful day, and I'm gonna start working on a project here. So I got my shirt on, unity, and then I'm gonna work on some t-shirts. So I probably should. And there's Black women dope. So y'all come and join. I'm finna do this t-shirt. This is why I kind of do this today. Put that on the heater and push that down. Let's see. This is how I put it in. Push that in. These are the buttons at the top. And push that. And it goes down. So I'm coming on you, bringing a journey with me of how I'm making my t-shirts. And I'm making this for someone. So I do have some of these still available. So if y'all want to inbox me, free shipping too. So it stops. It goes up. And I'm gonna pull it back. And I'm gonna let it take it off. It's hot. I gotta let it cool off. It's really hot. So I'm just gonna take it from the bottom. I'm trying to get a right angle here. I'm just gonna take it from the bottom and then see how the rhinestones are. Made the shirt. Black women are dope. Yes. Beautiful. So take it out. Let's make a t-shirt and then let's see what it looks like. Alright. Put this on under here. Demonstration. This is a sweatshirt, but I can make it as a t-shirt too.